Today I'm going to talk to you about the Twin Lakes spot. I had the pleasure of hunting there in 2017 with a buddy of mine. We were able to both get really nice bull moose. My buddy got a 62 incher and I got a 57, so a very successful trip. First things first, I think it was really nice that the 60-inch club provided some kind of documentation or some kind of information on where we were going. Troy and Linda, they send out these books on where you're going. They give you really good intel on what the spot looks like on the map. It'll tell you, how big the moose has to be, whether it's a 3 brow tine spot or a 4 brow tine spot. Twin Lakes is a 4 brow tine spot. As of 2017, that might have changed, okay? But this information that comes in these books is super valuable, okay? We enjoyed that hunt so much that this is actually off of a caribou hunt that my wife and I are gonna do with them here in the next couple of years. So when you get this information on Twin Lakes or any other spot with 60-inch club, definitely read it. But anyway, when we landed, we ended up seeing a bull moose and a cow moose right across from where we were camping. So, we land on this lake and there's already a bull and a cow in our spot. So that was super encouraging. We ended up shooting both of our moose on the edge of the lake, so having those waders definitely helped. But working from spot to spot, from lake to lake, going back and forth, you would have been just fine with 16-inch rubber boots, okay? Well, the next morning before light, my buddy and I are in the tent, and all of a sudden I woke up to a noise, and all I kept hearing was moo, moo, moo. Well, sure enough, it was a bull moose coming right into camp, okay? He was on the lookout for this cow. We put that spray down, and he ended up circling the tent, which was super awesome. It's something that I'll always remember. I mean, how often is it do you have a bull come right into camp and circle your tent? Super neat, okay? After we shot both moose, I shot mine on the east lake, and then my buddy shot his on the west lake. The full plane was able to land at both lakes and pick up our meat right there, so we didn't have to haul it 2 miles in the bush. We literally shot the 2 bulls, we took care of them right there, and we put the meat on shore, waited for the float plane to come, and we loaded the meat right in the float plane, and the meat was off right back to Fairbanks. Troy and Linda, 60-inch club, are not paying me to say any of this. This is just honestly what happened. So just to recap, 4 days of hunting, we saw 4 bulls right from camp. We ended up taking 2 of them. One was 57 inches, one was 62. Everything was, laid out real nice in the book, so we had some really good information on what to bring, what not to bring. So in a nutshell, I would highly recommend the Twin Lakes spot. 60-inch club did a wonderful job explaining to us what we were going up against, and I would highly recommend Troy and Linda sessions with 60-inch club. Thank you.
Be sure to click the subscribe button, and when you do that, hit that bell, and it'll help notify you the next time I have another training video coming out, or a video like this here, just telling you and giving you some great information on where to go on your next Alaskan adventure.